Hey garden lovers! If you're looking for a simple, sustainable, and incredibly effective way to nourish your plants without a single synthetic chemical, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful organic liquid fertilizer using one of the most magical plants in the garden, borage. First, the perks. Borage leaves are loaded with potassium, nitrogen, and trace minerals that make tomatoes plump, roses explode in color, and veggies like lettuce grow like weeds in a good way. Grab your gloves and head to your borage patch. Pick young, vibrant leaves in the morning when they're juiciest. Aim for a bucketful about 1 kilogram. Roughly chop or smash those leaves using your hands to effectively release their juices. Next, pack the crushed leaves into a large bucket or jar filled with water. For the best results, incorporate either distilled water or rainwater, as rainwater is preferable due to its lack of chlorine, which can harm beneficial bacteria. This ensures that the environment remains rich in the microorganisms needed for effective fermentation and nutrient extraction. By taking these steps, you'll create a nourishing solution that captures the essence and vitality of the leaves. Borage, Borrego officinalis, is more than just a pretty face in the garden. It's a dynamic accumulator, meaning its deep roots pull up essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium from deep in the soil and store them in its lush green leaves. When you ferment these leaves into a liquid fertilizer, you're creating a natural tonic packed with potassium for strong roots, disease resistance, and fruit development, nitrogen for lush green growth, trace minerals for overall plant health and resilience, natural plant growth stimulants. Yes, borage actually encourages neighboring plants to grow faster and stronger. Plus, it's 100% organic, free, and reduces waste. What's not to love? Every day, give the mixture a gentle stir with your cane twice a day is ideal. This introduces oxygen and helps prevent unwanted mold or anaerobic stink. Cover the container with cheesecloth to keep out bugs and debris, and place it in a shaded outdoor area out of direct sunlight. Over the next 10 days, you'll notice bubbles forming, the leaves breaking down, and the liquid turning a rich, tea-like color. That's fermentation at work, nature's alchemy. Smell? It might get a bit earthy like a forest after rain, but it shouldn't smell rotten. If it does, something went wrong, likely too little oxygen or contaminated water. After the leaves will have mostly decomposed, strain the liquid through a fine mesh or old pillowcase into a clean container. Discard the solids or add them to your compost. Store your finished borage tea in a sealed container, out of direct sunlight. It'll keep for several weeks. Never use it straight. This liquid is concentrated. Mix 1 part borage tea with 5 parts water. Pour it directly into the soil around your plants. Avoid leaves to prevent mold. Use every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season on tomatoes and peppers. Hello, bigger harvests, flowers, especially roses and dahlias, leafy greens. Seedlings dilute a bit more for delicate plants. You'll notice stronger stems, greener leaves, and more blooms, all from a weed you might have pulled out otherwise. Making your own organic fertilizer isn't just about saving money, it's about reconnecting with the natural cycles of your garden. You're closing the loop, turning garden waste into garden wealth, without plastic bottles, synthetic chemicals, or carbon footprints. There you have it, your organic and natural liquid borage booster. And every time you use that borage tea, you're giving your plants the same nutrients nature intended: gentle, complete, and alive with microbial goodness. This simple homemade fertilizer proves that the best garden solutions often come straight from nature. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with fellow gardeners, and let us know in the comments, have you tried borage fertilizer before? Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.